Not getting notifications on your iPhone's lock screen, that can be annoying, especially if you need alerts for apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, or iMessage. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix this issue quickly and easily. So let's get started. Before you start, make sure to turn off Do Not Disturb mode, turn off Low Power mode. Solution 1. Check lock screen notification settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Notifications, tap Show Previews, select Always, go back, select the app with missing notifications. This can be WhatsApp, Message, or Instagram. For me, I will select WhatsApp. Make sure to enable Allow Notifications. Ensure that lock screen is toggled on under Alerts. Make sure Show Previews is set to Always or when unlocked. Now tap on WhatsApp Notification Settings. Make sure to enable all the important settings from here. Exit Settings and check if the lock screen notifications are now appearing. Solution 2. Enable Background App Refresh. Open Setting, tap General, scroll down, tap Background App Refresh, tap Background App Refresh again. Select Wi-Fi and cellular data. Solution 3. Reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Choose Reset all settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. Your iPhone will restart. Check if notifications now show on the lock screen. Just do these steps and your iPhone's lock screen notifications should be back. Let me know if it worked for you or if you need more help.